नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, स्वागत आहे आपलं यूट्यूब चॅनल ज्याचं नाव आहे मोहित मोटिवेटेड एक्झाम चॅनल। आज आपण बघणार आहे UGC नेट महाराष्ट्र सेट एक्झाम 2025 पेपर 1 मधील लेवल्स ऑफ टीचिंग या विभागातील प्रश्न जे UGC नेटमध्ये आलेले होतात ते। UGC नेट क्वेश्चन फॉर प्रॅक्टिस लेवल्स ऑफ टीचिंग। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे, इन विच लेवल ऑफ टीचिंग द मेन फोकस इज लीड टू capturing and systematic presentation of ideas and information। UGC NET 2000 November morning shift 2021। Options given are memory level, understanding level, reflective level, autonomous development level। The correct option is memory level। Second question, in which level of teaching promotions of critical thinking is in the hallmark। UGC NET 20 November evening 2021। Options are given, memory level, understanding level, reflective level, autonomous development levels। The correct option is option number C, reflective level। Question number 3, which of the following is the highest level of teaching? UGC NET 2024 November evening 2021। Options given are memory, understanding, reflective thinking। The correct option is option number C, reflective। Question number 4, which of the following level of teaching lays stresses on the critical shifting of ideas at the highest cognitive level? UGC NET 3rd December morning 2021। Options given are memory level, understanding level, reflective level, autonomous development level। The correct option is option number C, reflective level। Question number 5, the objective of the reflective level teaching is UGC NET 2004 December morning 2021। Options are given to impart knowledge to the learner, to develop insight into the learner, to solve problem, to make a student relate fact with the principle, to encourage student to apply knowledge in similar and different situation। The correct option is option number B, to develop insight into the learner, to solve problem। Question number 6, which of the following is true about understanding level of teaching? UGC NET 5th December morning 2021। Options are given, imparting factual information, teaching to comprehend the concept, teaching to explore the field of knowledge, teaching to develop rational thinking। The correct option is option number B, teaching to comprehend to concept। Question number 7, given below are two statements। UGC NET 5th March 2023 morning। Statements 1, the objective of the memory level of teaching is to develop retention and critical thinking among students। Second statement, the objective of the reflective level of teaching it is ability to develop independent thinking and decision making among students। In the light of the above statement, choose the correct answer for the option given below। Options are given, both statement 1 and statement 2 are true, both statement 1 and statement 2 are false, statement 1 is true but statement 2 is false, statement 1 is false but statement is true, second is true। The correct option is statement 1 is false but statement true, second is true। व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास व्हिडिओला लाईक करा, शेअर करा, कमेंट्स करा आणि चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका।